Today is the big day. It's showtime! Final prep is in full flow. Now, a lot of you guys have been asking about my new nose. I got it in a flea market in...
Chloe! Line.
Bye, guys, and don't forget, Chloe loves you. Mwah. Right, where were we? Is that my cue?
Leonard, what are you doing? I said no beaver dance.
Yeah. And Miss Jessup over there, she put it back in.
This is so itchy.
I think he's allergic to the tinfoil.
Oh, this is a nightmare. My whole vision is being compromised. It's okay, Ethan. They're trying their best. Calm, blue oceans. Who drank all my Big Fizz?
Oh, it tastes like batteries. Just can't stop drinking it. Oh, were they not for everybody?
That's it. I can't work like this. None of you are fit to speak my dialogue. And the costumes are a joke. And the acoustics are atrocious. And as for you and your absurd dance, I've seen actual beavers keep better timing.
Thank you.
I feel like I am drowning in a sea of mediocrity.
Right, Ethan. Is there anything else you'd like to say?
Yeah. 2 words. I quit.
Toodaloo.
Now that's a dramatic exit. Mm-hmm. This is gonna get me so many new followers. Totally.
Oof. Right.
So, does that mean we're not doing the show? I mean, we have no P-Terminator, so...
It's P-Terminator.
Brilliant. There goes our chance to impress Dorothy Pemberton.
Well, Sam could do it, but it's not really up to us.
Please, Sam's parents. Can he?
Yeah, and he's done such great work behind the scenes.
Yeah, he's totally learned his lesson.
I don't know, Sal. What do you think?
You know what I think. Well, Sam, what do you say?
I say... I say no.
What?
What do you mean, no?
Look, I really want to be in the show. I just don't think I'm ready for a main part. I think this is Leonard's time to shine.
Oh, that's commendable, Sam, but I don't think he's right for the part. He doesn't even know the lines.
I am P-Terminator, son of Neutron, and I am here to tell you all that this bitter winter will end.
The show will go on. Well done, Leonard. Oh, well done. Fair play to you now. So look at that.